let's say that we have to draw this mortar bracket in front of us. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to check at the sizes. Here are the sizes and they are in millimeters. As you can see, these two holes seem to be closer compared to those two ones. Okay, right? Then back here in Inventor, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on New There. We say metric, standard, millimeter, and then we say create. Don't worry about this message. So once we back here, we're gonna start with the sketch. Then we're gonna click on the rectangle because it's gonna be faster drawing the rectangle. Then you say YZ as our drawing plane. So this is the first rectangle. So you're gonna have a few rectangles here. First one, second one, third one. Right? So I need to make sure as from the up to the that need to be 12 millimeters. Okay. And this one here need to be 62 millimeters. So 62. That's one they need to be 74 millimeters. So 74. And that's one need to be 12. This one need to be 15. So 15. Then I'm gonna go for this line here. Okay, so from there up to there, and I need to make sure that this one is 12. Okay, so that needs to be 12. And there from there up to there, that one needs to be 30 degrees. That one needs to be above this line for 30 degrees. Okay, and then I'm gonna trim this portion. Okay, great. So once everything is done there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for the 3D model. Then I say extrude. So here what we're gonna do is we're going to start with this part here. So that part, we're gonna extrude that part, and that's one need to be extruded by 12 millimeters. Then both sides of the axis. Then we say okay. Then we come here, we say visibility, click on the sketch, we say visibility on. So visibility on. Then we extrude again, so we need to extrude that part there. Okay, that's one by 125 millimeters. Okay, 125 millimeters, and then to need to go both sides of our axis. And then we say okay. Now we need the other part, so we need this part here. Okay, so back here what we're gonna do is we click on extrude again, then we want to extrude that part by 44 millimeters. Okay, both sides. Now we say okay. So the next thing that we need now is this part here, that part over there. So we come here, we say extrude again, we click in there, and then now we check there, we say 20 millimeters, so 20 millimeters, and then both sides of our axis, then we cut it like that. We say alright. So now the frame of our drawing or our mortar bracket is done. Now we need the holes. Okay, so here I'm gonna click there and say new sketch. Then I'll start with the circle. So that is my first circle, and this is my second one, and I need to make sure that this one here is 15 millimeters. Okay, so that needs to be 15 millimeters, and I hope that this one is equal to that one. It is equal, that's fine. So and then from there to there, that one needs to be 15 millimeters. Okay, and from here to here, that needs to be 15 as well. Great. So now from here, okay, to the that one needs to be 30 millimeters, and from here to there, that one needs to be 15. Okay, so that is a mistake. That one needs to be 15 as well, so that needs to be 15. Okay, so once that is done, you know, we're gonna say finish sketch, and then we come here. We come here because we need these holes now. We need these ones here, those ones. So back here we say new sketch, all right? Then we start with circles again. So the first, the second. Oh, now that was a mistake. So this one here needs to be 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters, and that one needs to be equal to that one. Great. So now I don't know why this one hit there, but anyway, I'm gonna get it. So now from there up to there, that needs to be 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters. Great. And from there to there, that one needs to be 20 millimeters as well. Great. So now from there to there, that one needs to be 30. Okay. And this one from here to there need to be 30. Great. So now that everything is done, we're gonna say finish sketch. So we're gonna come here with our drawing, right? Then I'm gonna go on extrude. So I'm gonna cut this part here and that part over there, and then you need to go both sides of the axis. Let's make it 200. Yeah, like that. And then we cut it. We say okay. So the same apply here. Extrude again. So I want this one here and that one to be cut. So both sides of the drawing plane or the axis. Then I say cut. Then I say okay. All right. So that is done. So the next thing that I want, I need to remove the visibility, and you can say visibility off. Then I'm gonna need to cut this part here. So that part there, and this part we're gonna cut it with a fillet of 10 millimeter radius. So 10 millimeter radius. Okay. I say okay. So I come here, I do the same thing. So that's one as well. So radius of 10 millimeter. I say okay. So now this is how your mortar bracket looks like. So what you need or what you want now is to give the material, to give the material. So you can see that it looks the same. So everything is the same. So now the material, we can go with gold or with steel alloy. So we steel alloy here, like that. That's still gonna be fine, but let's make it shiny. So if we go for gold, it's gonna look more beautiful. Right, so it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. So please, if this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself, and bye.